Giabella, look. Look, baby.
Look.
Turn around and look. A new bike. Say thank you, Papa. Thank you, Nana.
Give Nana and Papa hugs. Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay.
Try your new bike.
Try your new bike. Can you get on?
Are you just going to push it?
You
You
can
can
get
sit
on.
on it,
You can sit
Giabella.
on it and push the pedals. Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
I almost forgot her SOCK.
Oh, that's right.
Are you scooting? Hi. What goes in there? You want to put your football in there? Will your football fit in there? Will Corbin
Probably
fit in there?
I don't think that will. I don't think the soccer will.
Okay, soccer will, but she's gonna try.
I think it's too big.
Soccer ball. Oh, squish. Now sit on it, baby. Go ahead, try sitting on it.
Yeah.
And ride
Sit
it.
in your seat.
Yeah, it has pedals
Got
that
pedals.
are all red.
Yeah.
And you can sit in the blue seat. You can put your bottom right there.
Yeah.
And then you push the pedals down and it goes.
And she knows because she plays it with bikes at school.
Oh, does she?
Yeah.
Oh, does she? Okay.